Hello, good mornings from Garden Technicals. So today I just show you and how to propagate by cutting this plant that's red color. You see this plant almost easy to grow, but it's like this S1. So this many monstera, yeah, but this one I forgot in English name. I just want to know how. And you see, you want almost that people that lies plant and love flowers. So just see and look. But you see this plant, we just cut some brain and put in the soil. But the soil we must to mix with the earth and river soil, earth soil, that is good for it to grow, for them to grow. I just see like this. So this plant we plan to ready to the when we have event and meeting, and then we take it to the trolley and then put the corner and decoration some area in this one. Yeah. But if you have royal palm tree and monstera and Draceana plant, small Draceana plant and as well, and like this. So this is the kind of the Draceana plant. Yeah. But we have two. We have two colors, red and blue color. You see, this one. This is just we arrange, we plan for the decoration and when we have events. So you see with over there as well, almost that we propagate by cutting. But this plant easy. One this one monstera, Draceana red color and Draceana blue color, yes, and then as well. So easy to grow. Just yes, if you want more to see the plant, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if possible please share and to get more video and to the other to know and to know about this plant as well. So this is my plan that we ready and prepare for the events. When we have event and function in the ballroom and over there, the building, this is we can keep the people around 2.5 person, 2.5 people, 2,500 people can keep. And when we have event like wedding party and meeting, scene meeting, even small event as well. This is we prepare for those events. Yeah. So, but you see, I just check. Okay, like this. Okay. Okay. Like this, and then just we put only 3 days ago, but not it's not die and leave look fresh. And leaf and look fresh, you see, so easy to grow, you see. Okay, thank you, don't forget to share. Okay, thank you, bye bye, and please subscribe to my channel to get more video. Thank you.